Have you noticed that people these days jump on reels like this and just declare they're some kind of something? I'm Jolie. I'm your nanny and family matchmaker with Creating Connections. So, like I just said, I just called myself a matchmaker. Now, how did I get this title? Who deemed me matchmaker of nannies and families? So, again, my name is Jolie. I have degrees in child development. I was a nanny myself for 20 years. I have started Creating Connections about 8 years ago now. And so when I say I'm a matchmaker, that's because I have the experience, I have the education, and I have happy clients that say so. I think it's fair to question when people hop on and declare themselves some sort of a label or an expert or that sort of thing. So I thought I would just update those of you who are following. Thanks so much.